Meaning of Greenham Common.
Greenham Common.
Greenham Common.
Greenham Common.
Greenham Common. Greenham Common is the name of a former Royal Air Force airbase located in Berkshire, England. It became widely known in the 1980s for the Greenham Common Women's Peace Camp, which was set up to protest against the deployment of nuclear weapons at the base by NATO. The camp attracted thousands of women from all over the world who advocated for disarmament and peace. The protest led to the removal of nuclear weapons from the site in 1991. Today, the area is a public park and nature reserve, with some parts still used for agriculture.